Welcome everyone to Salesforce How to Load Sales Activity. In this session, we'll be loading some sales activity just to demo how this is done within Salesforce. So I'm going to use Glitterco as my test account, and also I'll be loading my activity for the day. So the first one that I need to load is my meeting with Brian Andrews from Glitterco. We discussed how we are able to partner together in order for us to evaluate some options, understanding their needs, so his needs and the company's needs, and how we are able to assist with working together. So what I need to do first is load the meeting. So what I would do is on the top here, you've got several tabs. You'd first either find a recent account, or you can type it in the search by typing in your customer. And if it actually comes up pre-populated on the bottom, you can just quickly select that. So we're on the accounts page. As you can see, when we actually are on a certain page, it will be highlighted as a tab. So what I have done, I will scroll down until I actually get to the decision maker. Brian Andrews was the one that I met with, so you select him. What you'll notice is up the top, the tab actually changed because we now are in the contact page. So we need to find and scroll down until we actually find open activities. So you would click new event for any meeting that you did or that you attended, and anything that was an action that you did for Brian, you would load it as a task. So let's first load the meeting that we had. So I met with him for the first time, so I'll place first appointment meeting in the subject, just to clearly identify what the particular event was. I would then proceed to type, and it was a meeting. The subtype was a first appointment meeting. The reason why the subject is important, because I know that it does come up as a subtype, as a required field. The reporting reports on subject. So please be sure not to just write meeting, because you'll need to click into this in order for you to understand what that meeting was. So if you want to populate an agenda, by all means, you can copy and paste it in there. Again, once you've met with Brian, you can also write the minutes, and you can also write a description in there. So it was a introduction meeting with Michelle, Parigi, and I to discuss how we can assist with a program designed to save him time. So the agenda was you can add to it. Now, as you can see, if I went to hit save, what would happen is I still have required fields that need to be attended to. So it will always default to the current date and current time. So by all means, change that. So it was at 1 o'clock and I met him at Surface Paradise. What I also want to do is add who actually came to the meeting with me. So this box will appear and you type in the person who went with you, whether it's your manager, a specialist, another colleague. Make sure that you include them as well. So they can also add to this particular event. Okay, so now I'm going to hit save. And what you'll see is if you scroll down to the activity history, it's got a little pin there that's got two little heads. That means it's a multi-person event. It's first meeting, and it actually shows who it's assigned to, last modified